Hey guys, I want to do a quick little follow-up video on the transmission coolers. When I was shopping for them, I didn't know whether to go for the finned, like normal ones, or canister type, like heatsink. There's not many reviews on these or information on them. This one's actually made here. A little bent from shipping, but looks like it's made pretty good. I noticed most of the questions online are, is it like just a cylinder, like those cheesy oil catch cans or something? But I could tell that the fins go through, or at least there's fins on the inside, and there's actually two, you can't see it in the video, but there's two sections in there. I don't know how far back they go, but there's definitely two routes. Like I think the fluid goes all the way and then all the way back. All right, so if you wanted to mount this type, it's like, where do you go, right? So you can go, like the air could hit it through here. You could set it up in here. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a spot where the wires are. You could set it on that. And I think it'd work pretty good. I don't know. I'm curious what would work better, this or this. So maybe I should do a little test. Just disconnect this one, hook this one up, drive around. I don't know. Anyways, let me know if you guys think I should swap this one out for that black one, just to see the difference. Or, I don't know, put two auxiliary coolers in with the stock one. Or maybe bypass the stock one and just do the two auxiliary ones. I don't know, let me know.